pretty girl, Ellie. Hi, look at that pretty face. Well, she comes right up to the camera, doesn't she?
Yes.
Hi.
Sounds scared, a little bit scared.
Yeah, she'll come around here shortly.
It said she just had a dental last year.
Oh, really? Well, that's good.
Nicely,
Hi,
she
pretty
was just
girl.
bathed last year, weren't you, girl? Yes, that's a good girl. That's a good girl.
Yeah.
She just looks a little forlorn. She's
Yeah.
blessing her mommy.
She does.
Missing her mommy.
Yeah. Oh, Baxter's gonna give her kisses. Look at
Yeah,
that.
give her kisses, Baxter. Give her kisses, baby.
She's very pretty though. Got really long legs.
I think she needs more. I think she needs to fatten up some.
She does. Yeah, she could stay in the game a little bit. All right, good job, girls.